I used to have lots of degenerate and negative thoughts recently. Why? Because in 2023, when I was in the college, I didn't have the negative thoughts. I had the positive and grateful thoughts. But now, as I have not doing some things, because of it, I'm going through this breakthrough. My mental health is getting worse. And what are the things I will show you in this video that will also reduce your negative and degenerate thoughts and will increase your mental health. If you are going through same thing, then watch the full video. First thing is reduce your phone. Yeah, my phone consumption is going more, and it's not just simple phone usage, it's the phone usage which is not healthy. Social media usage, and I'm using Facebook a lot now. I think it's not good for me, and I want to delete it personally, bro. It's just destroy your mental health, and I don't want that. And but other things are my less, because my I doesn't use Instagram and YouTube that much now. I just use Facebook, and which is I'm going to delete now because it's my ruining my mental health. What's the point of it? Your social media usage is the point, because think about it for a second. What you're doing is what your thoughts, it is the source of your thoughts, what you're consuming. If you consume bad things, you will get the bad degenerate thoughts. If you don't consume those things, you are cutting that tree of bad thoughts. That's what I was thinking, because I doesn't used to consume that much social media back then. When I was started the monk mode journey, I used to stare at walls for hours. I doesn't had the social media cramp. I doesn't had the dopamine spike in my day. Now I have things. Because of it, I can't record those videos, because it's my the most important thing for me. And before recording the videos, I was scrolling Facebook. That's why I want to delete it, bro. I'm frustrated. But if you're a person who can't quit phone reduction, because you got a now habit, you can't quit that much easily. But if you want to quit, then two tips I will suggest you is, first, turn on grayscale mode, because grayscale mode is the key for you to reduce your phone consumption, and you will use as a tool of your phone. Now, it's not that much attractive like other things. If it looks attractive, you will fall for it, and if you get fall into that trap, you will waste your time, you will waste your day, you will waste your weeks and months and years. That's why turn on grayscale mode. I have also did that thing, and it really works. Second thing is turn off your notification. Notification is the most important thing, because it reminds us to use those apps. But if we turn off every notification, it won't. And if it won't, you will specifically use that phone if you want to. Otherwise you won't. Those things, two things apply if you want to reduce your phone reduction. And second thing is meditation. Meditation is the key for you to stop your degenerate and negative thoughts. I used to meditate a lot when I started monk mode for hours, but not from day one. From day one, I used to start from 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, and day by day, I have increased that time. But for now, I have that habit is gone from me. I will start from day one, from zero, for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, like you. But why you can't? You think you can't meditate for 2 minutes? Then you have to think about it for you, your life, where is going. You can't spend 2 minutes for you. Isn't it great? Isn't it bad? What do you think? You have to spend your time on the things which you want to, and meditation will help you to do that. Meditation is the key. You just have to sit down and breathe through your nose, close your eyes. You just have to build habit. If you have built that habit, you will increase the time for 2 hours, 3 hours, and it will just feel like nothing. Hours will feel nothing. And third thing is exercise. When you don't exercise, you're just using that your energy in doing useless things like scrolling insta, using phone. But when you use your energy to build something, build beautiful, build your body, you will improve your life. When you exercise, you have to think it is as a whole energy system. You will get return on investment too, and that's your old life, healthy life. Why you don't have to? Why you can't? You have to spend your time on building your body, exercising, and you just don't go to the gym. You don't. It doesn't matter. You just have to do it from your home too. It also affect like some kind of push-ups, pull-ups, and cardio, running, sports, anything what you prefer. If you want to also learn from me in my journey, just subscribe the below button and comment down what you're facing in your life. I'll try to specially make a video for you. Just don't think you are useless. I will make video for you for your problems, what you're facing. And thank you. If you want to talk to me on a one-on-one call, check out the pin comment bro. Take care.